Today I'm going to show you a desktop mic stand by Frameworks. And this is a Gator product. It expands from 9.5 inches to 14.5 inches. It weighs 2.6 pounds. And the base is 5 inches, has a metal base. Metal pole screws right into the base. Very high quality. Can be used with microphones, dynamic or condensed. Can be used as camera mounts, as light mounts, as I will show you. The stand comes with a mic adapter that can be removed. I'm going to go ahead and show you the different ways that I've used this. The first demo is going to be as a mic stand, as it's intended to be used. You can adjust it anywhere from 9.5 inches to 14 inches, and it's a very secure adjustment. And it's Gator work, so you know it's solid. Very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, now I'm trying to pull it over. Moving it around, and it's not falling down. So I'm going to remove the mic, and I'm going to go ahead and change the mount to a tripod mount. There's a large mount and a smaller mount, and I'm going to put on an old Lumix G7 camera that I have, and this camera it's a heavier camera. It's not a lightweight camera. So I'm going to put it on and see how it does, if it's sturdy enough to hold this up. And it's also, in addition to the camera, I've got a larger Rode mic on it. Go ahead and try to move it around and see how sturdy it is. The base is only 5 inches, but it's pretty sturdy. I mean, this camera is not going anywhere unless you really knock it over. And like I said, this camera's a heavier camera than they recommend to use on it, but it still works just fine. And you can see it's perfect for a GoPro. And also, I use it a lot for my lights. Sometimes you need a light at just a certain angle to show off a different product. This desktop mic stand is small. It's perfect for when you need to move it around, or if you needed to leave it at your desk for an easy way to hold your microphone. I highly recommend this. And again, it's the quality that you expect from Gator Works. There we go. That's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.